Hello, good day everyone. Today we will see how to create an elevation name tag as attribute annotative dynamic block in AutoCAD. Also, if you want to improve your knowledge of AutoCAD and drafting techniques, join my AutoCAD tips channel. Okay, let's see. Drawing units, you and enter millimeters. Okay, text style ST enter T5, text style name height 5.00 millimeter. Okay, width factor 1.00. okay, cancel. Set current T5, text style. Okay, go mtext empty enter, justify top left. Okay, opposite corner, type elevation enter, go ball array, select object enter, center point, items 4 enter, close array. Okay, select array set, explode. Okay, go block, define attribute tag name A, prompt A, default A, text setting justification top left, text style T5, rotation 0. Okay, click here, repeat define attribute tag B, prompt B, default B, text setting justification top left, T5 text style 5.00 text height, angle rotation angle 90. Okay, click here, repeat define attribute tag C, prompt C, default C, justification top left, T5 rotation 180. Okay, click here, repeat define attribute tag D, default D, justification top left, T5 text style rotation 270. Okay, click here. Okay, now go block B enter, block name elevation name tag, en tag, select object enter, pick point, click here, block unit millimeters, open in block editor, annotative tick. Okay, okay, now go parameters, base point, click here, parameter point, click here, repeat point, repeat point, repeat point. Okay, go actions, more, select position 1 parameter, select object enter, repeat more action, select parameter position 2, select object enter, action more, select parameter, select object enter, action more, select parameter, select object enter. Okay, and now save block, save changes, close block editor. Okay, now go insert recent block, en tag, click insert ABCD. Okay, select annotative block, right click, annotative object scale, add delete scale, add 1 to 50 and 1 to 100. Okay. Now go annotation scale, current view, 1 to 50 select, one to 50. Okay, go layout, double click, 1 to 50 select. Okay, go model, 1 to 100 select, go layout, double click to viewport, select scale 1 to 100. Okay, go model, double click, PQRS elevation. Okay, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.